What are you saying, baby, baby?
Baby, baby, baby. This daddy. This daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Right here.
Let me see. Where am I?
Here.
That's me? Coaches.
No.
No.
Watch out, she'll give you a headbutt. She gave me a headbutt, she must knock me out.
They knocked each other out one day.
Who?
Eric and the baby.
Who taught her that?
Baby knocked me
Oh,
out.
she did that, was doing that to Kevin last night in the stomach.
She hit me in my forehead, she almost knocked me out. Remember the time she tied you up and almost set you on fire?
Mm-hmm.
Too nice.
No biting. Which one are you? Which
Where's
one are
the
you?
mommy?
Which one?
Where's the mommy?
Do you have a pappy doll in there?
There's a mommy up there, look. Right there, look.
By the green, look by the green.
Look, she's look, she's up there,
She's
look.
on the deck.
On the side.
Look.
Standing on the deck.
This side. Over here, right here, with the yellow hair. That's it. That's your mama. That's your mama.
Hello, Mama. Hello.
This is me? Where's the baby? In the bathtub.
Right here.
You left the baby in the
Oh.
bathtub?
And
Put the baby on the potty.
And what's
Put
the
baby on the
baby's
potty.
name?
Look, put the baby in the potty.
What's the baby's name?
Daddy, for your anniversary,
Baby's name is
I'm going to
Buckwheat.
Costco and get myself a camera.
What's she doing?
Yeah, because you guys are supposed to get me a camera for graduation.
Oh, wiping
And
herself?
It's July 24th.
Wash it.
Don't you have a camera?
Flush it?
She has that old Kodak.
The baby's name is Buckwheat.
Oh, my father got a camera.
Yeah. 4 years now?
That camera that I use now.
Who's
Because our
there?
camera's crap.
We need new cameras.
Fruit snacks.
Camera.
Fruit
Our
snacks in the oven.
Cameras are outdated.
What does she have in there? Jelly beans?
Fruit snacks.
You got fruit snacks in there? You a lucky girl.
This is the mommy.
Eat slowly, little monkey.
Not of the wooden one.
Do you have a high chair for the baby?
The one